Stop asking your AI to log in for you. It's slow, it's flaky, and frankly, it's a security nightmare. If you're using the Playwright MCP, there's a much better way. Running npx playwright codegen with the save storage flag is the key here. It's going to dump our cookies and local storage into a JSON file, so the AI never has to touch our actual password. For this, I'm using Firefox browser. For this demo, we're using Instagram. I log in once and Playwright captures the session automatically. This is the authentication state. It contains your cookies and local storage, the information the browser needs to stay logged in. In the Claude Desktop config.json, you provide this file path in the storage state. When Playwright MCP starts with this file, the browser launches already authenticated. I have given the prompt to Claude, go to my Instagram profile, use auth creds from the storage state file provided in MCP command. Now this will fetch all the authenticated credentials and also the URL to navigate to. Now watch, the browser is logged in automatically. Claude goes straight to the profile page, reads the profile name, bio and follower details, all because the authentication state file was loaded correctly. Remember the rule, don't automate login. Start with an authenticated browser state. Playwright MCP handles it safely. Your auth.json contains active session cookies, so handle it like a password. Never commit it to GitHub or share it. If the session expires or Instagram invalidates it, the file stops working. Simply log in again and regenerate it. This method does not bypass security. It only reuses a session that was already authenticated. And that's how you automate a logged-in browser safely and correctly with Playwright MCP. Subscribe to JKC Tutorials for more practical AI automation tutorials.